Yeah, this your boy again. Got it going. Some good old red beans. And I'm gonna put some sausages up in there and that smoked turkey necks as well. But I'll be right back with you. Yeah, and lower this water down for a good boil. Simmering real good. Yep. Then put them sausages in. Get it going. Nice and steady. Beans getting soft and tender. I'll be right back with you. Before I leave, I put some Tony Sass in, Obey, Slap Your Mama, garlic powder, pepper, black pepper, chopped pepper, and garlic ranch, and some salt for this one here. I'm gonna put a little cayenne in there too. Make all that season scream out. So be back with you. As you can see that cayenne pepper, it's good for the fall. About to stir in, got the sausages in. Yeah. Be almost ready to serve. We'll put some rice on. Stuff like that. And with that being said, I'll be right back. Now we got the beans almost done. Now when you add salt, add about like 5 tablespoons. Black pepper, 2 tablespoons. Tony says 1 tablespoon will be 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder ranch, 1 tablespoon. Slap Your Mama, 2 tablespoons. Bell pepper, a pinch. A thumb and a fingerprint pinch. And with this, dealing with the rice, I'm gonna add me some salt so it won't stick when I'm ready to take it out the drain. So I just throw a little salt in there, and I throw a little vegetable oil in there as well. Yeah, and we're gonna pour that in. I like that cap for. And you might well say that salt 2 tablespoons, but I'll be back with you. Well, as y'all see, she's ready. And we're gonna let that steam out a little bit. And you already know we're gonna get the plate ready. So with that being said, see you. And there you go. She's ready. And she's all the way ready. Who wants some? Like, share, subscribe, like. And with that being said, stay safe, peace, and see you.